we've got one more special guest joining us here today, and that is from Ann Arbor Plastic Surgery, Katie Moss, who I was in there, I think this was back in February now, that I had CoolSculpting. And, if you imagine plastic surgery, you probably, it can carry a negative connotation. And one of the things that I love about Ann Arbor Plastic Surgery is they make it super easy and they explain how it's all gonna work. And CoolSculpting is probably the easiest, most body friendly, most comfortable procedure that you could do that has terrific impact. And Katie, if you could explain a little bit more about CoolSculpting and the opportunity to take advantage.
Yeah, so CoolSculpting, we can treat anywhere you have subcutaneous fat on the body. So that pinchable, pliable fat, which is great. So most of us carry it throughout the body. Being within 30 pounds of your goal weight is pretty much the ideal candidate for CoolSculpting, which is really nice. And the session takes between 35 minutes to 45 minutes in application. And like you said, it's really comfortable for patients to come in and get the treatment done. We set you up with TV, we have Netflix, we give you pillows and blankets.
I did watch a lot of Netflix.
Yeah. So, and what it does is it kills those fat cells permanently, between 20 to 25% of those fat cells. So they're permanently eliminated, and results you see within 3 to 4 months post-treatment.
Well, I'm about at that range, and I have really enjoyed my results. And it doesn't give you a free pass to drink as much beer as you want to drink, or to eat Saunders bumpy cake as often as you want. Although I do indulge in those things, but it does. It kind of gives you, I think, of a little bit as like the reset button. It gives you a chance to erase some of that stubborn part that you just can't seem to get rid of.
Definitely. Those peaks, those bulges of fat that just with regular diet and exercise that you try so hard for, men and women struggle a lot. The abdomen area is a really popular area that most patients like to do, just to help flatten that out and kind of give that waistline back for most people. They just love it.
Well, and hey, it's almost going to be bathing suit season here, and let's admit it, we're all pretty vain.
Yes.
And so, I know we're going to Holland, Michigan this weekend, and I can't wait to show off a little bit here. So I'm hoping it's warm enough to go to the pool. I don't know that it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be like mid-60s.
It's probably going to rain.
23 out of 30 days in May so far, Katie. So, yes, it's probably going to rain. And right now with CoolSculpting, there is a terrific deal that's being offered by Ann Arbor Plastic Surgery.
Correct. We have $1,000 off through the month of June, which is great. So you can come in for a complimentary consultation with me. We can get you an individualized treatment plan set up and help you take advantage of those savings.
Well, and again, there is CoolSculpting, but there are a lot of options for people as just as they look at getting a little help here and there, surgical and non-surgical, when it comes to the entire body experience at Ann Arbor Plastic Surgery.
Correct. So if I can't help you and kind of give you that end result that you're looking for, we have two great physicians. We have Dr. Malhotra and Dr. Ballard, and I work very closely with them. So we kind of switch back and forth patient-wise. We just want the best expectation and result for that patient.
Well, Katie, you are well along to your third child coming here soon. So
Yes.
What is, for some of the mommies out there, what is the mommy makeover?
The mommy makeover. Typically that consists of a tummy tuck, flank lipo, and breast augmentation.
Okay. And so there are, if you jump on AnnArborPlasticSurgery.com, you can look at all these surgical options. It looks like there's about 20 of them here, and there's a number of non-surgical options too. There's skin care, which is, of course, very important as we continually put our body through the rigors when it comes to sun and all the things that we're doing to ourselves. What are some of the great skin treatments that people can get?
We have IPL, so it's an intense pulse laser light. It helps with pigmentation, fine lines and wrinkles, a little bit of that pore size. It's great for rosacea patients. It's also a hard sell in the summertime for some patients because we want to stay out of that sun. But we offer chemical peels, microneedling. We have all therapy, which is using a microfocused ultrasound to help tighten and lift the skin.
It's honestly, and I think the difference is here too is that, like I said, back in the 80s or something like that, we might have had a negative connotation, but plastic surgery has really come a long way, and it's really for everybody.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, there's so many non-invasive options now where you can go out after treatment and no one would ever even know you got anything
Well, and,
done.
and I think I'm the perfect example. Like I would have never considered plastic surgery before. Like I thought of it as like, oh, I'm not a famous Hollywood actor or something like that. I'm an average Joe. And when I reached out to Ann Arbor Plastic Surgery, I was surprised to learn about all the different things that I could benefit from. And one of them, CoolSculpting, that made the most amount of sense for me, has helped me tremendously. You start to see results within you can start to see results within a couple of weeks. It does take a couple of months to get the full effect. But I mean, it's been a game changer. Yeah. It's been a game changer, and how much better I feel about myself for this thing. And then combining with the diet and the exercise, just the big difference it's made in my life. Perfect. So thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. And you can work with Katie Moss at Ann Arbor Plastic Surgery. She is a delight to hang out with. I know I've got to go back in there and get one more procedure, and I'm looking forward to it. AnnArborPlasticSurgery.com. You can give them a call, 734-913-5100 here in Ann Arbor. They also have a location in Jackson at 517-789-9800. Thank you so much for coming in.
Thanks for having me.